If you are a trading locksmith, a training locksmith, a carpenter, an apprentice carpenter, this is something that may be of interest to you. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy weekend. As you can see, I'm in my office. Exciting news. You're probably wondering what it is. Well, I'm about to tell you. So, if you are a trading locksmith, a training locksmith, a carpenter, an apprentice carpenter, this is something that may be of interest to you. So, this is something I've been thinking about doing for quite a while, to be fair. And I've decided just to go for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be offering a 3-day lock installation and frame repair course. Now, my background is carpentry. I've been a carpenter for over 30 years. So that's my background. So as a locksmith, I've only been a locksmith for 6 years. So I'm going to leave the specialist locksmith courses to people like Seth Ryden up in Blackburn. If you're looking to do a locksmith course, I can't recommend his course enough for for gaining non-destructive entry and stuff like that to people, to properties. But this isn't what this is going to be. This is going to be about lock fitting. So there's not many courses that are going to go into, in fact, I don't believe there's going to be a course out there that's going to go into as much depth as what I'm going to when it comes to lock fitting. So I know guys that that shy away from fresh fits, don't like them. So this is going to help. I think this is going to help a lot of people. And I've had so many inquiries recently since doing my YouTube channel for people that have been asking about me doing courses and, do I do courses? So I'm going to do it. So like I say, it's going to be a 3-day lock installation and frame repair course. So day 1 will consist of fitting night latches, fresh fit, retrofit. If you're changing from a 40mm night latch to a 60, how you make good that frame or how you make good the door. I'll be showing you all of that. Fitting standard traditional night latches to British Standard ERA, which are slightly more difficult, a bit more involved, but you'll be learning how to fit all of them. Day 2 will be Mortice locks. So Mortice Deadlocks, Sashlocks, ERA Sashlocks, ERA Deadlocks, internal bathroom locks, and you'll be using, I'll be teaching you how to use the Souber jig, which I know a lot of guys have, I'm part of quite a few forums and I see it all the time. People wonder what they're like. Do they speed things up? Are they difficult to use? I'll be teaching you how to use them, and it does speed things up once you know how to use them. So I'll be teaching you all of that. And then day 3 will be dedicated to making good, basically making good around, which is my speciality, which is why I'm doing this. Making good around door frames, making good around keeps. I did a job the other day where there was a huge keep on a door, and I was fitting a British Standard ERA night latch. So I had to do quite a bit of making good first before I could fit the new night latch and the new keep for it to look good. So I'll be teaching all about that. Burglary repairs, when a timber door's been smashed in, how do you go about repairing it? I'll be teaching all of that. And then there'll be some add-on days. So these will be single days that you can add on if you like, or you can just do these if you want. I'm going to do a day about door hanging. So, if you're a carpenter, You probably might not want to do this because you'll know it. But if you're a locksmith and want to be able to hang doors, I can show you how to hang doors, front doors, hanging, you know, supplying and installing a front door, wood timber front door for somebody is a good earner. And the benefit about it is the amount of people, the amount of customers, previous customers that I've had that have said that they thought they needed a carpenter to come and fit the door, and then a locksmith afterwards to actually come and fit the locks. And so it's a bit of a niche market, and I've been told this many times, that they were so pleased that I was able to hang their door and do the locks rather than having to choose or find two different trades. So it's a really good earner. So you can learn how to hang doors. Another one-day course I'm going to do is fitting multi-point locks that you'd normally find on new PVC doors, fitting them into timber doors. It's a fantastic way of upgrading a customer's existing timber door, or if you're fitting a new timber door, you can offer them a multi-point lock. So we'll be showing you how to fit them and install them. And then the final one day is just a making good repair course, just a one day, which will work really well with if you want to do the MPL course, how to install the multi-point locks into timber doors. This will work alongside that, so you might want to choose both of those days, because if you imagine you're taking somebody's existing front door, taking maybe a night latch and a deadlock off, that's going to need to be made good on the door and the frame before you think about, you know, fitting an MPL on there. So this will teach you how to do all the making good properly, and so it's going to last. So yeah, that's where we're going with the courses. So if you're interested, if you look at the description below, then again, it just lists what I'm going to be doing. These courses are going to be happening soon. They will be limited to 4 people per course. So I'm expecting sometime in the next few days to be able to release dates and the costs that the courses are gonna be. Like I say, there'll be a 3-day course, and then there'll be 3 separate 1-day courses that you'll be able to do. But yeah, if you're interested, have a look at the description below. My email address is there. If you can drop me an email if you're interested, and then I can reply to them, and it will be on a first come first serve basis. Like I say, since starting the YouTube channel, I've had so much interest from people that have wanted me to do courses and stuff like that, and there's nothing, I believe, in the country that's going to be like this, or as good as this, or as in depth as this. I'll be showing you all my little tricks and tips and stuff like that to get you out of trouble, and yeah, it's gonna be fantastic. I'm really excited about doing it. So yeah, drop me an email if you're interested, and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers, guys.